What is a data retention policy for businesses? Imagine trying to find an important document in a mountain of files or digital data. Without a clear plan, it's easy to lose track of what to keep and what to toss. That's where a data retention policy comes into play. It's a set of rules that businesses follow to decide how long they keep different types of data and when they should securely delete it. This isn't just about organization. It's a legal and operational must-have. A data retention policy helps manage the entire life cycle of data. It guides what data to collect, how to store it safely, who can access it, and when it's time to get rid of it. The rules are shaped by laws, industry standards, and what the business needs to operate smoothly. For example, a company might keep financial records for 7 years to meet tax laws. Personal data, like customer information, might need to be stored only as long as necessary to fulfill the purpose it was collected for, and then securely deleted. From a legal standpoint, the main goal of a data retention policy is to stay compliant with laws that specify how long certain records must be kept. Tax authorities often requiring businesses to hold financial documents for a specific number of years, like 7 or 10. Privacy laws, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in Europe or state laws in the United States, limit how long personal data can be stored. If a business ignores these rules, it could face fines, penalties, or damage to its reputation. A typical data retention policy includes several key parts. First, it lists the types of data covered, like employee records, customer information, contracts, or emails. Next, it states how long each type should be kept based on legal or business needs. For example, employee records might be kept for at least 3 years after employment ends. Then it explains where and how data is stored, whether on physical servers in the cloud or on local drives, along with security measures to protect sensitive data. The policy also sets rules for who can access the data and under what circumstances. This helps prevent unauthorized use and keeps privacy in check. When the retention period ends, the policy describes how to securely delete or destroy the data. This could mean shredding paper documents or using software to permanently erase digital files. It's also important to keep records of when data is created, accessed, or destroyed. This creates an audit trail that can be useful if legal questions come up. Implementing a data retention policy involves different parts of a business working together. Legal teams ensure the rules meet all laws. Information technology teams manage storage and security. Operations staff follow procedures for handling and disposing of data. Regular reviews and updates are necessary to keep the policy aligned with changing laws and business practices. Having a clear data retention policy is essential for businesses that want to stay compliant, avoid unnecessary storage costs, and reduce the risk of data breaches. It also helps the business produce the right records if it faces legal or regulatory questions. In short, a data retention policy is a simple but powerful tool to manage information responsibly and protect the business from potential legal and financial risks.